Today is April 12th. It was a rainy night last night. It's just sprinkling a little bit now. Look how pretty it is out here though, after the rain. Misty. So green. So today we're going to Roan Mountain Shelter, which is the highest shelter on the AT, over 6,000 feet. So hopefully the rain will stop soon. The sun will come out and dry it out for those guys. Bracken, lichen, pretty green moss today. The rain just makes everything so much greener. It's so pretty. All right, let's get on with this little hike today. Well, it was raining this morning when I left, and right now, I don't know if you can see it, there's a slight rainbow over there. View. Look down there. Oh my goodness. A little windy. Hoping it's going to stay with no rain for the rest of my journey. So I just crossed over the road. Downhill for a little bit now. I'm going to be starting my ascent to Roan Mountain Shelter. So I have 2,170 feet of elevation to go. So it looks like I'll be doing a lot of switchback in here up to the mountain. And it's about 5 miles, 4.9 miles to get to the top. The rain stopped again, which is nice. So, there we go. I just had a Snickers bar, 10 o'clock in the morning. I'm eating Snickers. Who would have thunk that, huh? It's my energy to get me up. You see, there's a road down there. And I just came from that side, over there. Look at the clouds blowing by. The big old cloud over there. All right, let's get moving. I know this video is not going to capture it well, but looking out there, it's all clouds, and you get these little peaks of the mountains, and then it's just all clouds. I can see the distance of mountain. It's all clouds. Here's a good view for you today. That one right past the tree is Hump Mountain. Going over that tomorrow. And almost to my destination right over there. Doesn't look so ferocious from here. Almost there. 2 miles. Oh, a blow down there. So walking through like a spruce forest again. I love it when there's the spruce or the things like that. It smells really pretty. Just had a beautiful sight of Roan Mountain, where I'm almost headed to. I'm almost there. But just before Roan Mountain, there's a site of an old 19th century resort that was up there. Cloudland Resort, I think is what it was called. I can't even imagine. It must have been beautiful. I don't know if there's any remains of it left or not, but we'll see that soon. But the views from up there must have been spectacular. I mean, what I just saw was really beautiful. So coming around to the next, side, I think would be even a more fantastic sight. So we'll see when we get there. All right, almost there. This is the site of the Cloudland Hotel. It's dismantled in 1914. Oh. There used to be a narrow gauge railroad that got people up to Roan Mountain, and then they had to take a carriage for 12 miles up to this site. Let's see what this is over here. Maybe this is part of the foundation of it, because I don't see anything else. It's a beautiful open field here, that's for sure. Must have been part of something. A little bit of a foundation of something. Oh, look, there's a road over there. Huh. Here's my trail for the last bit of this climb. Still snow up here from the other day. I just slipped in over a foot of snow back there. Birdhouses. I wonder what they're trying to attract. Sloshy. Trail's like a riverbed. Temperatures dropped like 10 degrees. It's like 47 right now. My hands are cold. I'm still in shorts. My legs aren't cold, just my hands. Almost there though. This is the upstairs of the shelter. Like an old attic. I don't think I'm gonna stay up here. Spooky. Ladder down. Let's see if we can get down. Going down. Log cabin. There's a door and there's a light switch. Beep. It's pretty cool. The Roan Mountain Shelter, high shelter on the AT.